Welcome to my channel, Chemistry Class. I hope you are doing well. So, in the previous lecture, we discussed the uses of lipids, and today we are going to study next very important topic, which is nucleic acids. So, let's discuss and details nucleic acid step by step. Nucleic acids. My dear student, nucleic acids are very important molecules in living organisms because they store and transfer genetic information. They control growth, development, and reproduction of all living organisms. Definition of nucleic acids. Nucleic acids are complex organic biomolecules that store and transmit genetic information in living organisms. They are present in the nucleus of cells and control all biological activities. The word nucleic acids come from nucleus where they were first discovered acids because they contain phosphate groups. Discovery of nucleic acids. Nucleic acids were first discovered by a Swiss scientist Friedrich Miescher in 1869. He isolated a substance from the nucleus of white blood cells and called it nucleus, which was later named nucleic acid. Types of nucleic acids. There are two main types of nucleic acids. First one, DNA. DNA as a deoxyribonucleic acids. For its function, stores genetic information, controls inheritance, direct protein synthesis. DNA is mainly present in the cell nucleus. Second one is RNA. RNA ribonucleic acid. Its function is helps in protein synthesis, transfers genetic information from DNA to ribosomes. RNA is present in nucleus, cytoplasm, and ribosomes. Basic structure of nucleic acids. Nucleic acids are made up of small units called nucleotides. Each nucleotide contains three components. First one nitrogenous basis, second one pentose sugar, third one phosphate group. So we can write nucleotide is equal to nitrogenous base plus sugar plus phosphate group. Nitrogenous basis, there are five important nitrogen bases: adenine, guanine, cytosine, thymine, uracil. Important points: DNA contain adenine, guanine, cytosine, thymine, while RNA contains adenine, guanine, cytosine, uracil. Function of nucleic acids. Nucleic acids perform several important functions. First one, storage of genetic information. DNA stores hereditary information of organisms. Second one, transmission of hereditary characters. Genetic information is transferred from parent to offspring. Third one, protein synthesis. RNA helps in making proteins in cells. Fourth one, control of cellular activities. Nucleic acids regulate different biochemical reactions in the cell. Summary table of nucleic acids. Property: nucleic acids. Biomolecules, genetic materials, units, nucleotides, types, DNA and RNA, function, store genetic information, location, nucleus, and cytoplasm. So, my dear student, this is all about today's lectures and nucleic acids. I hope you understand. So, if this lecture will help you, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more chemistry lectures, and share it with your friends. Comment your question below. Take care and see you in the next class, inshallah. Thank you for listening.